Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a lesson about concatenating two strings using join function. So we are just going to initialize two variables. Uh, First, yes, one string, one variable is hello, and second is yes, two variable world, and third we are going to initialize concat or yes result. It's an empty string just to define concat result as string variable. So I have already highlighted we are going to use the join function to concatenate this s1 s2 over here. Just simple s1 plus s2 will give the result, but this is another method of concatenating two string. So for that, what we need to do is you have to say that concat result dot join open bracket square bracket s1 comma s2. So now we are going to print the result. Concatenate result. Let me run the code. Okay, something we did wrong. Okay, I didn't put the uppercase. That's the problem. Let me rerun it. So we got the result. Hello world. So simple s1 plus s2 will give the same result, but this is another method of concatenating two of the string variable.